Hello everyone, it's story time once again with Manjit. Now once upon a time, on a wonderful Sunday evening, Mama Goat, Mama Cat, Mama Deer, Mama Swan and Mama Butterfly along with Mama Bear were having their evening tea together. I think you will all agree with me, ladies, that our children are getting naughtier and restless by the day. We must send them all to school, said Mama Cat. All the other mamas nodded their heads or fluttered their feathers. And the very next day, on a magnificent Monday morning, all the animal mamas marched up to the school with their young ones. Mama Goat presented baby goat before the teacher. Hey, and by the way, do you know what a baby goat is called? Well, it's called a kid. K-I-D, kid. Take this kid and make a nice goat out of him. He may like to nibble grass all day long, but I'll make sure he carries some green grass in his tiffin and nibbles only during snack time. Well, that was Mama Goat. And next was Mama Cat, who presented baby cat before the teacher. Do you know what a baby cat is called? Yes, it's called a kitten. K-I-T-T-E-N. My kitty likes to climb walls, but I will make sure that she curls up in one chair in your class, said Mama Cat. Mama Deer now presented baby deer before the teacher. And do you know what a baby deer is called? Yes, it's called a fawn. F-A-W-N. My fawn likes to run really fast, but I will make sure that even while running, she is listening to you. That was Mama Deer. And now came Mama Swan, and she presented baby swan before the teacher. And you know what a baby swan is called? Well, it's called a cygnet. C-Y-G-N-E-T. My swan likes to play with water all day long, but I will make sure that she doesn't mess up the classroom. Mama Butterfly now produced baby butterfly before the teacher. Oh, and what do you call a baby butterfly? Well, you could call it a caterpillar. C-A-T-E-R-P-I-L-L-A-R. My caterpillar likes to eat leaves all day long, but I know that one day you will make a beautiful butterfly out of this caterpillar. Mama Bear was the next one to present baby bear before the teacher. And do you know what a baby bear is called? Well, it's called a cub. C-U-B, cub. My cub loves looking for beehives and eating honey all day long. But I'll make sure that she carries some for you and her classmates as well. And so saying, all the mama animals came back home after leaving their children at the animal school. And by the way, you never asked me who their teacher was. Well, their teacher was Abu, the chimpanzee. The chimpanzee children is supposed to be one of the most intelligent animals. So I'm sure that Abu is going to make a great teacher. And what a class he had! There were animals of all colors and sizes, an insect and even a bird. And I'm sure that once the word spreads around in the jungle, many more animal mamas will bring their young ones to school. And this animal school is going to be a lot of fun. Almost as much fun as your school is. So let's say cheers to that, and in the next story, we'll come back and see what these animals are doing in class. Till then, cheerio, bye-bye.